The final 4 days of the workshop for provincials, regional, and mission superiors focused on vision, mission, structural collaboration, and priorities for the future of the Society of Divine Word. Father Peter Dicos, SVD, guided participants through the pastoral and canonical responsibilities of religious leadership, while Father Ambu and Brother Raul Acosta reflected on the importance of initial, ongoing, and brothers formation in strengthening the Society's missionary vocation. Father John highlighted education as an SVD priority for 2024-2030, emphasizing schools as vital places for evangelization. Father Fabian Mate spoke on the discernment involved in the first missionary assignment, while Father Julius Jacinto presented the General Action Plan and its strategic priorities. The workshop then concluded with sessions on structural collaboration. The General Secretariat and General Media Department presented by Father Piot, Mark, and Marlon, ending with this question: where is the Spirit leading us now? After 2 weeks of formation, dialogue, and fraternity, the new leaders returned to their mission, renewed in purpose and commitment.